Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create and send an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, QuickBooks makes invoicing fast and easy. Before we dive in, here's what we'll cover in this video. How to create an invoice step-by-step in QuickBooks Online. How to customize your invoice to match your brand. Different ways to send an invoice and track its status. How to receive and record payments. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create professional invoices in QuickBooks and keep your business finances organized. Let's get started. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online. On the left side of the screen, select plus New and then Invoice. Pro tip, if you haven't set up the customer yet, select plus Add New to create a new one. If the customer already exists, just select them from the drop-down. Make sure all the customer's information is correct, especially their email address, since that's where the invoice will be sent. Next, check the invoice date, due date, and terms. If you need to adjust the terms, just remember that net refers to the number of days the customer has to pay. For example, net 30 means payment is due in 30 days. Now, let's add the products or services you're charging for. Under the Product Service column, use the drop-down to select what you're billing. If you don't see it listed, you can select plus Add New to create a new item. Adjust the quantity and rate if needed. QuickBooks can calculate amounts based on a flat rate, by hour, or by item. Want to make your invoice look more professional? You can customize it. In the top right corner, select Manage. A side panel will open where you can change the invoice design, add your logo, adjust colors, and update the fields customers see. QuickBooks will remember these settings for future invoices. Once the invoice looks good, you've got several options for sending it. If you're ready to send it right away, select Save and Send. To send it later, choose Save and Close or Save, and New if you want to create another invoice. To share it directly, select Save and Share Link, perfect for texting or messaging customers. To track your invoice, go to Sales then Invoices. You'll see the invoice status in the status column. Here's what the statuses mean. Due in days, the invoice hasn't been sent yet. Sent, you've emailed the invoice to the customer. Viewed, the customer opened the invoice. Deposited, the customer paid the invoice. Overdue, the invoice is past due. Delivery issue, the invoice wasn't delivered. Check the email and try again. When your customer pays, QuickBooks makes it easy to track. If they pay through QuickBooks Payments, the payment will automatically sync to your account. You can also manually track payments from other platforms, like PayPal or Venmo, by selecting Receive Payment. And that's it! QuickBooks Online makes it easy to create, send, and track invoices so you can get paid faster and keep your business running smoothly. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. See you next time!